Hey, what's up again, YouTube? This is Dave the Mechanic. Today I'm working on a 2002 GMC ENVOY 4.2, and I will be changing air filter. All right, there are 3 giant Phillips head screws. There's one down there, and this is the air filter box. It's located on the passenger side of the engine bay, right there. There's 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws that we have to get that up. Once those are up, you can start to remove the box. I'm doing the best as I can with one hand. Let me set that down. Much easier with 2 hands. That box is off. This is the old filter. Just pop that up like there and remove it. Very simple. You can take a quick look at it. It's actually not that bad, but they wanted to change, so we would put the new one on. Again, I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Okay, the new one is on. It's nice and seated. All right, and you can see there's a hole right here. You want to line it up with that hole there when you put this back on. I'm gonna set this back down again. 2 hands work better every time. Alright, now that it's lined up, go ahead and start to get my screws back in. Alright, make sure everything is still okay around the box, and that is it, guys. That is how you install a air filter on a 2002 GMC ENVOY 4.2. Thanks again for watching, YouTube. This is Dave the Mechanic. If you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If there's anything that you feel I left out, let me know. Anything I can do better, let me know as well. But thanks again for watching. So, we've got new videos coming soon. This is Dave the Mechanic. See you next time.